Hi everyone. Today I'm going to go over the case size overview window. This is a useful window if you want to see an overview of all your case size information. You can also edit some of the case size information in this window. From the main menu, you can go into the case size overview in the inventory section, and this is going to display all of your groups on the left side and your case sizes on the right side. Each line is going to indicate a different case size. If you see the same item here, for example like coffee, you'll notice some icons beside it as well. These are going to indicate the current case size if it's the key icon, the default case size if it's the shopping cart icon. You'll see one other icon here, and that's going to be our case size icon. You can click this to open up the item to view it in more detail. Let's close out of this and go back to the case size overview. The next couple lines you'll see is just a little bit more information. We have your supplier information, then we have your order code and barcode field. Now these are two fields that you can actually edit in this window if you need to mass change any order code or barcodes. So we can go in, put in whatever the order code is, whatever the barcode is, and then we can save that information. Continuing on, you'll see a breakdown of the case size information, such as the cost and what's actually in the case size. At the top of the window, you'll find a couple of ways to find a case size you're looking for. If you click this drop down here, you'll be able to see you can search by description, barcode, or order code. Once you put in that information here, it'll start filtering it by that name or whatever search parameter you're using. You can also filter for the supplier you're looking for by clicking this filter icon at the top right and choosing the supplier you want to look at. You can then hit apply and it'll filter to only display that supplier. That is a look at the case size overview. Thanks for watching.